Hey guys, welcome to my channel Creative Kids. Today I'm gonna tell you how to turn off Miniplayer in our YouTube video. When you make your YouTube video with a lot of hard work and when you find that Miniplayer is off your videos made for kids, then you'll have a doubt about how to fix this issue. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna tell you the solution in simple ways. Let's start. Firstly, click on YouTube Studio. Now select the video in which the Miniplayer is off. After selecting, click on the pencil icon. Now click on the Select Audience option as shown in the video. Click on the option, yes, it's made for kids. Now change it to, no, it's not made for kids. Don't change the age restriction option. Click on the back arrow. Now click on Save. Again click on the back arrow. Now check the issue in YouTube. Is it working? Then please do like this video, share it to others and subscribe to my channel.